If you're wondering how you can check the warranty of your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. First of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open the Samsung website of your country. Now just tap on the chat bubble over here. On this page, just select promotion and discount. And from here, just enter your details. Now in the first name section, just enter your first name. And in the last name section, just enter your last name. After that, in the email address section, just enter your email address. Then in the phone number section, just enter your phone number. And after you've done that, just select I have read and agreed to the privacy policy and tap on submit. Now just select speak with expert. Now as you can see, they're asking us to wait for a moment for them to connect us with an expert. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now just type, I want to check the warranty of my Samsung phone. Then tap on send. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, just tap on about phone. Then tap and hold on the IMEI number of your Samsung phone until you copy it. Then go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on send. Now just type, this is my IMEI number. And tap on send. Now just wait for a moment for them to reply. And as you can see, they have replied. And they have sent us the warranty end date of our Samsung phone. And if you want to check the warranty start date, just type, I want to know the warranty start date. As you can see, they have given us the warranty start date and the warranty end date of our Samsung phone. And as you can see, the warranty start date of our Samsung phone is the 13th of November 2025. And the warranty end date is the 13th of November 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.